my cute little hotel room. Hey, and I'm in my bathrobe. And these are some of the goodies I got from the Dijon tourism people. All the specialties and lots of Dijon mustard. I'm in Dijon, and this is the Palais des Ducs. It's also got the mayor's city hall in it and a museum of fine arts. It's magnifique.
Bon.
Donc on fait quoi? Comment ça s'appelle?
De la Via Ferrata.
La Via Ferrata.
Aux échelles de la mort.
Aux échelles de la mort.
Voilà.
I'm on the death ladder.
Yes.
High up in the air. It's quite a... And this is how we do the rock climbing. Woohoo! It's very high up. Look how high up I am. There's my colleague over there. Hello. Say hi. Bonjour! Go! Bravo! Bravo! I'm going next! I'm going next! This is crazy! And we're so high up. Okay, I'm about to do the Tyrolien zip lining. Wish me luck. Here I go.
Ouais, j'ai pas voulu faire ça même pour le poulet.
Allez. Bon, je vais essayer de la choper parce que c'est un peu osé ce qu'elle fait.
I'm continuing my adventures with nature in France by sleeping in a cottage in a tree. So it's a tree cottage, there's the tree, but it has a shower and a toilet, so it's kind of glamping at its finest.